Hello Forex traders, this is Eric with the Forex point and figure system. If you want to learn more about trading the Forex with point and figure charts, check out my site. It's fxpnf.com. Well, the US dollar had a huge surge upwards today in almost a delayed response to yesterday's decision from the Federal Reserve. You and I both know how long the dollar has been in a downward trend. Here we're looking at a very long-term chart of a daily variety using candlesticks, looking at the US dollar index, which is a basket of foreign currencies against the US dollar. There's a pretty important trend line that I want to put into focus here, and this is sort of how it looks on the daily chart. I say sort of because I'm going to show you a bit of a different view in just a moment vis-a-vis a point and figure chart. Let's look at the short-term view though of the US dollar index. Here we see bottoming action over the last couple of months, and today pretty good breakout above what looks like a 1, 2, 3 pattern on the daily chart. But let's take a look at this point and figure chart. This is of the US dollar index, which again is a high-level overview of the US dollar. It's one way to think about it. It has shot higher in a very big way and continues to climb higher ever since this little fake out here, which I think probably sucked in some bears and triggered some stops among the dollar shorts. Since then, dollar has been screaming higher. Now, see that red diagonal line coming down? That was the trend line I was referring to back on the daily chart. This might serve as a moving target going out over the next couple of weeks or months for dollar bullish positions. I think it might be a bit optimistic to look for a move to 77.50, which is the current bullish price objective for the US dollar index. Look, that would translate into some huge movements among the foreign currencies. But this trend line, I think, will provide us a nice intermediate term moving target for dollar bullish positions, something to keep watch of if you are long the dollar, or put another way, short some of the foreign currencies against the old greenback, which appears to be making somewhat of a comeback.